I don't know if people ask you this all the time, but can you maybe tell us what the top 2 or 3 challenges are that businesses that you're working with face in terms of growth in particular? And
Yeah.
how do you help them address that?
The first one is bottlenecks. Very often what happens is the cleaning company owner is the bottleneck. Either the bottleneck in terms of their own time, which is often the case. It's where they utilize their time and where they spend their time. And often they end up doing what I would consider to be 10-pound tasks. So that's one of the main things. Second thing is, like I said, it's knowing not just what to do, but when to do it. For the stage of growth that you're at, for the revenue you're doing at the moment, for the size of your team, like what's the immediate big thing that you need to do to get to the next stage of growth? So often it's having some sort of pathway and understanding of the trajectory of what it looks like to grow a business up to 7 figures and beyond. What stages do you go through? What happens when? And how do I traverse those huge pitfalls that inevitably happen along the way? The third one, I guess, is having the confidence in the back end of the business. It's understanding what systems are. Like, systems are processes. And for most people, their systems and processes are in their head. Being able to get those out, get them documented, get training in place for people, getting resources so that the team know where to find things, especially as you scale and grow.